Next one, write IUPAC names of the following compounds. So number one, CH3, CH double bond, CCH3 twice. Here it can be written as CH3, CH double bond, CCH3, CH3. So the numbering is given 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2-methyl, so the name is 2-methyl but second place E. Second place E. So 2-methyl but 2E. Next one, the next B, CH2 double bond, CHC triple bond, CCH3. So alkyne and alkene. So we will give priority to alkene. So numbering is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then number of carbons pent. So number of carbons are pent. Next one, 1 in 4 ion. 1 in 4, 1 in, so 3 in, 3 ion. So first place contains double bond, third place contains ion, alkyne. Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, bit 4 carbons. First place, third place contains diene. Bit 1,3 diene or 1,3 butadiene. Bit 1,3 diene or 1,3 butadiene C. Next one, benzene ring CH2, CH2, CH double bond CH2. First place, second place, third place, fourth place. So fourth place contains phenyl, 4 phenyl, totally 2, 4 carbons. Bit first place contains E. So first place contains E, bit 1 E. So it is the D. Next one, benzene ring OHCH3. We will give 1, 2, high priority to phenol OH. So it is the 2-methyl phenol. So second place contains methyl. It is total is phenol. So 2-methyl phenol. Here the structure is CH3, CH24, CH24, CH, again CH2 thrice, CH3, again CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. So the numbering is, so CH3, CH24, next one CH2 thrice, CH3, CH2, CH3. So the numbering is given to, so here first place 3 carbons. 3 carbons means 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Next one 5. Next 4 CH2, 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 CH2. So 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Next again, so in branch, 5 place branches. So we will give to number 1, 2, 3. Second place methyl. So we will give total numbering and we will written as, so the first one 5. So fifth place contains 2-methyl propyl. 2-methyl propyl. So 2-methyl propyl. 5. Second place contains methyl, totally propyl. 2-methyl propyl. 10 carbons means decane. Decane is the answer. So 1. So 1, 3 carbons. 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 carbons, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, decane. So second place contains methyl. So 5,2-methyl propyl decane answer. Next one, ninth one, is numbering is given. here alkene, here alkene, here alkene. We will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then if we will give in this place, here 1 plus 5 plus 8. 1 plus 5 plus 8. So the lowest locant we will take. We will take an lowest locant. So the answer is, so 1 first place, fifth place, first place, fifth place, and 8th place. The total is 14. From in this word 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here, so the total is 16. So it is wrong, it is right. So it is right. So then we will write third place contains ethyl, 3 ethyl, totally 10 carbons deck, totally 10 carbons deck, and first place and fifth place and 8th place. So 1 first place, fifth place and 8th place, triene. So 3 ethyl deck 1, 5, 1, 5, 8 triene. So it is the UPS names in 9.2%. Thank you. Please subscribe.